trying to find a bike path. Where's the bike path around here? I've never mounted a DSLR camera on the front of a bicycle before. First time for everything. I found this really cool rock formation. I'm not really sure what this is, but check it out. Looks like some sort of little makeshift amphitheater. Stage is over there. People sit right here. All made out of boulders. I think it's only fitting if we're going to have a bicycle riding scene that I provide the music. I'm going to do that right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Bicycle riding scene music. Take one. Doom, 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 I just discovered probably the longest slides in the history of existence for a kid's playground. Look at the size of those slides. And you know what that means? I'm about to do something really ignorant. Okay, that hurt really, really badly. My bike is pretty much destroyed. Look at the front tire. It's, yeah, that's done. I'm kind of in a lot of pain right now, so it's hard for me to talk, but this is the lock and the basket over here. Bike annihilated, but the sunglasses still here. That hurt so bad. That was such a stupid idea.
We're gonna turn right into this ditch. Man, look how steep this is. Dang. Wow. This park has been remodeled. Trip out. Alright, entering Santiago Park. This whole place has been remodeled and been here in years. There's ancient parts of this I can see, and then there's modern parts of this. This is all modern right here. Then, staircase is modern. But right here's ancient. Man, there are squirrels everywhere. None of this used to be here. Well, there's an old section way back out that way that hasn't been remodeled, but let's see what this is. Little amphitheater. I don't know what goes on here. Those gates are new. Seating's new. Cooking area's new. Except for this building's ancient. Looks like they redid the roof, put new rocks in the front. But that building's actually old. Did a whole remodel on this area. None of this was here, at least set up like this at all. The bridge over there, that was always there. Caution tape, looks like a swampy area over there. And a clean playground over here. Even that log cabin over there, that thing's original. Looks like you can see in it. Go up to the window and peek in. There's the cube. There's a museum out that way. Across the street, the cube. Let's see what this is. Looks like you could possibly see in over here. Trespassing. No trespassing. Can you see him? Oh yeah, kinda. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is old school inside there. What we got back here? Nothing, just the backside. That's Main Street right there. I don't know what this little inlet is, but looks like you just come in and park and head over to the park. It's a hot one out here today. Woo! I don't know what the temperature is, but it's got to be like in the high 80s. Man, it's hot out here. There across the riverbed is a staircase. It doesn't seem to go anywhere. There's that rusty bridge. The guy got a bunch of thorns on the bottom of my shoes. Check this out. Another stairway to go down into the riverbed. Just came off that bridge right there. There's a nice shady area because it is freaking hot today. Some big old trees. I mean, this tree, can you make out how big this thing is? This thing is amazingly huge. Watch your step because the roots. Check it out, I'm having an Adam the Woo moment. And the Adam the Woo slide, bike slide incident is actually right around the corner down over here. Man, it's so cakey bakey right here right now. Gosh, breaking a sweat. Let's go see what this little weird area is up here. Look at this Brady Bunch era looking lawn bowling area. That crusty building. Look at this old trailer. They probably store all the equipment for the lawn bowling, I guess. Man, now it's all like soft like sand at the beach. Well, check this place out. Lawn bowling. You got some crispy, clean looking tennis courts over here. Like it's been freshly painted and the fence looks kind of new. New construction over here. Pole's all new. Maybe that's what they're doing. Yeah, that light fixture's new, this light fixture's new, and you can see the pattern for all the cabling heads out that way. Big old stump like it's been cut down years ago, like this one here. And a squirrel just went cruising through and hopped over and went that way. Look at this weird little thing. Probably used to tell you what was going on in the park. But there's nothing on any of these. What a trippy little area. There's a neighborhood back in through here. Park over here. This guy's got the last house on the block. This street dead ends because this ancient bridge is not a through street now. Let's go up there and check it out. How old these are. Man, these things are ancient. Eventually we'll go down over this way. I want to see that sinkhole that's way over there. There's a plaque over here. Actually, this guy's got the last pad. Trip. Santiago Avenue Bridge, Orange County, 1947. Board of Supervisors. about it. That's all it says. It's the old road. Sinkhole from up here, it doesn't look like it. All that green swampy looking water though. Check these benches out, just chilling out on the bridge. Throw your trash out over there. Guess that's a nighttime thing, because we wouldn't want to be doing that right now. It is way too hot. What do you got over here? I wonder where that water's coming from. Looks like it's coming from over there on the left. Those things are a trip. So if the water's really cranking down through there, it hits all that to slow it down before it heads this way. Alright, so here's the old road here. Pathway goes into there. That should go over to the Adam the Woo slide location, or you can go this way. But let's go walk through here. And I'll show you the slide location. I guess that's meaning this is from 2000, Santiago Park Woodlands Restoration Project. I'm assuming it's all this down through here. There's actually a paved one right over there. This looks a little more interesting this way. Man, I hope there's a bathroom out this way somewhere. I'm not just gonna pick a bush and go. There was a bathroom way back there, but that homeless guy was in it acting kind of odd. It's freaking people out. It's another little amphitheater. I don't know if this building's open for anything. What's in a vernal pool? The birdhouse right there says number 4 on it. They must be checking to see what kind of bird species hang out, I guess. And we'll go check and see if that building's actually up and running. Maybe it's only certain times of the year. Who knows? Right down there past the bridge is the railroad bridge. Where the slide location was. What the heck is this? Is this a monument of some sort? Alright, I guess the slide location is not past those railroad tracks. It's right over here. Let's go check it out. The dude's sleeping over there, but yeah, this is the slide location. I wonder what that big old building is. It says City of Santa Ana Public Works Agency. Alright, here it is. So there's another one of those. Slides aren't here now, but let's head up here. There's a squirrel. There's another squirrel. Yeah, he probably took his bike right up the sidewalk right here. Because the only thing it went to was the slides. This is where the slides were, right here. There were 2 of them. He was going to do something very ignorant. As we could all see, he did. Yep, it was right here. The huge metal slide. I wonder what this is all used for. Look at that seesaw, or what do you call it? Oh, it's dog training. That's what it is. It's like a, oh yeah, because these tubes, they'd be running through these tubes. It's a dog training course. I'm gonna assume for the police department. All right, let's go down this staircase right here. Take a look at the slide location from where he went down and ate it. Man, these things are towed up. I wonder why these are even here. "22 freeways," you can see it's right over there. Yep, there's where he ate it. He set his camera up down over here. Went up the sidewalk. Boom, came on down and just ate it here at the end. I think he was filming over here too. On these benches after he ate it. Oh man. Man, his bike parked right there. That's from his bike. Oh my god. That's where he mangled it. This custom little area just for the handicapped. Bricked it all out for them. Alright, this building isn't open. Gates aren't open. And this is the entrance to get over here into the slide location, which is Santiago Park Nature Reserve. Alright, there's gonna be a sign right here, we can check it out. Santiago Archery Range is 300 yards behind me. Right, here it is. Santa Ana. Over there says welcome to Santa Ana too. Alright, this says right there, Santa Ana Police Department Canine Training Facility. That's what that was back there. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. It is totally free. Taking a walk, sweating my you-know-what off over here at the Santiago Park Nature Reserve. But I started out way down there off of Main Street. Check these things out. These almost look like those monument-looking things ever in the park. Right, there's where we came in. We were on the dirt trail. Headed over towards the slide location. Now we're back over here on the actual paved trail. I'd like to actually get over there on that side. So I might have to get back on that dirt trail and go check it out. Back over to this bridge. Sucks. Looked like somebody back in the day stole the plaque. The old 1940s plaque. Just went down those ancient rock stairs. This is a scary place at night. Doesn't even echo down here. Man, check this tree out. Must have fell down years ago, but still going. Amazing. Bottom of the roots. This weird thing. It's almost like a carved out little bench. This might have been a bigger tree, and it branched out off the one that they cut down back in the day. If you go on a nature walk, man, it's the place to go. And there's a slide location right over there. That's where we were. If you actually keep going on the trail and go that way, it goes all the way to Hart Park in Orange. And if you keep on going, it goes all the way to Chapman Avenue. It'll be way up there. Man, this bridge looks old. Look at the rivets. Like the ones when you heated them up way back in the day. Smacked both ends. What the heck is all this? Oak, woodland, and coastal sage scrub, birds and flowers of the Santiago Creek. You never know you're in the middle of everything. Literally right up there is the freeway. It's a big building where offices are. Out that way is housing. Out that way is the Main Place Mall. All kinds of houses back out this way. Hit that thumbs up, guys. Hit that thumbs up. Santa Ana Canine Center, authorized personnel only. Almost back to my car. Look at this tree hanging out on that other tree. And here's civilization.